Hello, I'm Jerome Maas of the Greater Hartford Academy of Math and Science, and I teach the Thermodynamics and Fluid Flow course. And this is a study of heat engines, fluids, and their flow, both of the flow of fluids and the flow of heat. As all my courses are, it's an experimental course and a problem-solving course. This one is also, with the nuclear course, one that I teach that is both from a science-type course, but also an engineering-type course. Students are again going to do problems of increasing difficulty, and experiments are done to help students understand basic concepts. Things we're going to learn about is the kinetic theory of matter, the color of stars, how your refrigerator makes cold. We know how to make hot, but how do you make cold? Why you float in water, how does blood flow through your body, how to design your very own piping system. The kinetic theory of matter. When the kinetic theory of matter, we talk about how do atoms move and then what does that mean. We really go from the very, very basics, take a simple concept of the kinetic theory of matter and explain a lot of the behavior of solids, liquids, and gases. We also talk about radiant energy and what the color of different stars are, what does it mean, what does the radiant energy look like. We look at heat engines. Both things simple like a car or a steam engine all the way to refrigerators and heat pumps and how they work. We look at things like why you float when you're in water. We're going to talk about buoyancy and density, why some fluids flow easily, things like viscosity. How blood flows. This is a Doppler image of blood flowing through something. And so how do we actually measure the flow of fluid through an object? Why do things speed up or slow down when they flow through different parts of a system? And then we're going to look at designing piping systems and how to analyze piping systems, because they can become quite complex, but there's some basic principles that you can easily piece together and really analyze a pretty complex system from a couple of basic fundamental ideas. And that's pretty much it of what we talk about in thermodynamics and fluids. It's, again, part of it is a scientific background, but it also brings it into engineering and applications of what you learn.